Yeah, I'm taking a video of it because I think it looks pretty with the green grass.